Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Fun Learning Time. Let's sing a song together. Yes, you know which song? Good morning song. Come on, everyone. Let's start. Good morning, good morning. How are you today? Good morning, good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, I'm fine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good job, everyone. Now today, I'm going to narrate a short story about letter T, and you all have to listen to me attentively. Tim and Tom were watching an important tennis match on television. When the match began, the two players hit the ball to each other, and the sound like ta ta ta. Yes, my dear kids, the sound of T is ta ta ta. Now listen to the sound of T. Ta ta ta. Look at the picture. First one. Ta ta table. One more time. Ta ta table. The cat is under the table. Next one. Turtle. One more time. Turtle. The turtle is in the water. Next one. Tennis. One more time. Tennis. I like to play tennis. Next one. Tree. One more time. Tree. The monkey is sitting on a tree. Thank you. Now I know you're all waiting for the rhyme. Yes, rhyme of T. Now let's sing together. When I watch the tennis game, ta 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 ta, my head goes back and forth. My head goes back and forth. Ta ta ta. When I watch the tennis game, ta ta ta, my head goes back and forth. My head goes back and forth. Thank you, everyone.